On a random winter Sunday, I'd wake up to the smell of rawa dhokla
Hello, hello,
reverberating
hello.
through the house. Half asleep, I'd tumble out of the bed, brush my teeth in record speed, and sprint to the dining table, ready to devour an entire plate of soft, fluffy rawa dokla with the simplest chana dal ki chutney. Set up an idli steamer, grease the plates, and pour the batter in. Yes, dokla on idli plates because free will भी कोई चीज होती है. Take it out after 10 to 15 minutes, cut it into soft pieces, and pour a tadka of sesame seeds, red chilies, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. For the chutney, roast chana dal, toss it into a blender with ginger, a little chili, and salt to taste. Finish it with a hot tadka and oh, nom, 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 nom.